Flagging a ticket in Jira allows you to highlight or indicate special attention needed for an issue. Here's how to flag a ticket effectively. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account with the appropriate permissions to view and edit issues. Navigate to the issue. Go to the project containing the ticket you want to flag. Locate the specific issue either through the dashboard, search bar, or issue navigator. Open the issue. Click on the issue key or summary to open its detailed view. Add the flag using status or custom field. Check if there is a custom field or status for flagging issues. Some Jira instances may have a specific flag or attention status. Change the issue status to flagged or similar if available. Using comments. If a specific flagging feature is not available, you can add a comment mentioning that the issue needs attention. For example, type "flagged for review" in the comment section and post it. Use labels or tags. Another way to flag an issue is by adding a label. Click on the labels field in the issue view, add a label such as flagged, and save the changes.